everyone! Welcome back to our Spanish lesson series. Today, we're going to talk about Construcciones Oracionales using como, cuando, and adonde with the present subjunctive. These constructions are important for expressing uncertainty, conditions, and purpose in Spanish. Let's get started! First, let's quickly review when to use the subjunctive. The subjunctive mood is used to express doubt, uncertainty, wishes, emotions, and hypothetical situations. Now, let's see how we use it with como, cuando, and adonde. Starting with como. We use como with the subjunctive when we want to express a condition or manner that is uncertain. For example, hazlo como quieras. Do it however you want. Vamos a resolverlo como podamos. We'll solve it however we can. In these sentences, the action depends on an uncertain condition. Next, cuando. Use cuando with the subjunctive to talk about future events that are not certain yet. For example, te llamaré cuando llegue. I'll call you when I arrive. Saldré cuando termine de trabajar. I'll leave when I finish working. These sentences refer to actions that will happen in the future, but the exact time is not certain. Finally, adonde. Use adonde with the subjunctive when talking about an uncertain destination. For example, iré adonde tú vayas. I'll go wherever you go. Sígueme adonde te lleve. Follow me wherever it takes you. Here, the destination is uncertain or unknown. Let's look at a few more examples to make it clear. Hazlo como te parezca mejor. Do it however you think is best. Nos veremos cuando tengas tiempo. We'll see each other when you have time. Te encontraré a donde vayas. I'll find you wherever you go. Remember, these constructions express uncertainty or conditions related to the actions. Practice using these in your own sentences to get comfortable with them. That's it for today's lesson on Construcciones Oracionales using como, cuando, and adonde with the present subjunctive. Keep practicing, and you'll master these structures in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more Spanish lessons. Hasta luego!